Well, there is a donation as well for you towards your project from Miss P, same here from Maryland, 14,000.
Thank you, Miss D from Maryland. Miss P, thank you very much.
She not going to touch. She go, boy, I can't be in there, but in the shower.
Yeah.
I say, welcome, man, you know. Just line it up here. I have hot water.
Yeah.
I have warm water.
Yeah.
I have hot water. I have warm water. And I have cold water. And I have temperature water.
Yeah.
So 4 different water run.
Four different water. Richie B, you have 4 different water.
Use the hot water. Yeah, I just soak up first and then I just start turn on the hot water. I now make it very hot, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
Stretch the put enough. Stretch enough. Half in the shot, you know.
Elastic. This pudding made of elastic. Johnny, put in Rosa.
Stretch the pudding.
Elastic.
How can I put that? How can I put that? Potato. What? Potato. You don't understand what that? You don't know potato. Oh?
Potato.
I want a potato. No, man. You're not on the list of, man. You have to have list of there.
Where you say?
Where you say potato? Potato.
A potato, a potato.
Okay.
A put? Eh?
Okay. You can't buy no bread with your put.
Sorry, yeah, bread. One Ellis. One Ellis. That is it. Georgia Ellis. See ya. You know the thing go. Finally,
I'm here, Mom.
Yes, he's here. Yes, Rosa has been waiting.
The bag are ready, man.
Ready.
One rose. What's going on?
Yeah, so you have 14,000 here for you from Miss P from Maryland.
Miss P from Maryland.
USA.
USA. Miss P from Maryland, from USA. Only for blessing, only for love,
No, in the ear.
Johnny, put in everything and wind it up. Come in on me now.
Yeah.
Johnny, come in on me now. Wind up everything and put it in.
Johnny.
Wind up everything and put it in, Johnny.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. You can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. I me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well. Blessed love. Good morning. As you can see, it is early in the morning here in Jamaica. I'm heading down to Trenchtown, you know, to put in the same word that we always do. Oh, sorry. Them put on my seatbelt before and they say, Kino, put on your seatbelt. You know, but there you are. The beeping that he was hearing was telling me, Kino, seatbelt now, seatbelt. So, yes, my seatbelt is on and I am good to go. Yes, guys, so you know, as you can see on the Wow Chef journey, you know, putting in some work. I want to thank the young generation tradesman, you know, that could give us a helping hand, you know, and appreciate our contribution that we give to him, you know. So he's gonna always be around, you know, to give us a helping hand whenever naturally not about when it's needed. So that will also help us moving forward with the work that we are doing in Trenchtown, you know, guys. So I want to thank you so much who support us on this journey. You know, I just want to thank you so much as well to helping out the Wow Chef, you know, and we just give thanks to us, man. We really appreciate what you guys can give, you know. So it's been a blessing, you know, doing this journey. And yes guys, right now Jamaica is really nice, bright in the morning. As you can see, sunshine, 365, well, 360 days for the year. Probably a 1 or 2 days get a overcast, you know, but most likely it's always like this, waking up to see this wonderful sunshine. Yes, so at least I'm sending some sun, you know, for whosoever is watching over there in the cold and missing some nice sunshine here in Jamaica. I know that feeling, so I'm sorry, but hurry up and come, hurry up and come back to Jamaica. Jam down. Yes guys, so I want to thank all my moderators as well for keeping this program positive, you know, and get rid of all this negative out the live chat. You know, whenever anyone's negative, you know what to do, you know what to do. Thank you so much. I just want to spread the love to each and everyone that out there saying, because you know, everyone needs love, no matter who you are. You could be doing the wrong thing and still need love, so I always have to give the love where love is needed. Alright, so today we're going to be doing the boxing, the belting, sorry, we're going to do the belting of the wow chef for the roofing. So we're going to do the belting, you know, if anyone know what that means, the belting, you know, that's what's going to need before you put on your roofing. It's like a slab, cast the top, and you know, before you put on the roofing. So as I can say, it's really moving nice, you know, it's moving smooth and everything. The young generation tradesman know what he's doing. So guys, so stay tuned. We're going to keep you up to date. So I'm on my way here to Trenchtown. So blessed love, blessed love. Well, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome guys, welcome to another morning. You know, as you know, say we're back here in Trenchtown, you know, finishing off the work with wow chef. You know, it's early in the morning, so you know we got a few of the members then. So we have Mother Teresa and we have wow chef here, and we have the younger generation tradesman is here as well too, you know. So today now we're going to do the belting, you know, as I was explaining to you, the belting, you know, where you can get the roofing sorted out and everything, you know. So that's going to be the next move, is the belting, and after the belting, you know, you can get the roofing get done and everything. So then we'll move inside now to do the inside work. You know, I just want to thank each and every one that help out on this journey, you know, the contribution. We thank you so much, you know. As I say, it's an act of kindness, the empathy, you know, for looking out for someone that's really in need. As you can see, the position of people here in Trenchtown, and most of, at least probably about 99%, you know, of our donors, you know, probably never been to Trenchtown or known anyone here from Trenchtown or around where we do our charity. So really thank you so much for reaching out, you know, because what you're doing, the act of kindness, you know, the Lord's work, helping out each other. You know, it's no time to look down on no one, you know. It's about helping someone, you know, because while we're here living in this physical form and this universe, you know, we have to represent for righteousness, right? You have a choice to represent for good or bad. So it's always your choice what you choose, you know. But from your represent for righteousness and good, even if the person is doing bad, you still have to have love for them same way. It's not always love is the answer. Love is the only solution. So you can continue to show love. Don't make no one change your heart from being positive and from showing love. You know, you can love them from a distance. If you don't want to love them from near, you can love them from a distance. You know, remember, just always be you. You know, be that good soul of yours. You know, show the righteousness. So we're here this morning, as you can say, whoa, the building is tall, and we have the younger generation tradesman here, aka Richie B. Not talking about Scratchy B. Active. So this morning, Richie B, tell them what we're gonna do in this morning.
Put on the belt in for the top.
Belt in for the top.
Yeah, tie everything in a 1-3 corner then. I'll start by fixing up some farm now.
Yeah, you make up some farm first, right? Yeah, man, and the people, the viewers, them really appreciate and say, yo, this guy can really work, he knows his job, you know? So you never know, we appreciate everything we do the same way. Because remember, you know, we here helping out each other, you know? And you never know when you might get your first phone call and say, younger generation, we got a job for you, you know? You know? That's how it works, you know? This program will look out for each other. So someone might have a work if natural too busy, and what them saying called the younger generation to come and do it. Alright.
We're active.
He's active.
Good morning, people.
He's active. And there's a lot of football we play together growing up same way. You know, so we are talented in any way we can take it. Cricket as well too. Because his brother was my captain playing cricket as well and also football. His brother was my captain, was going to Trenchtown. You know, we have the wow chef here, you know.
Twice, may I tell you.
Not once, but twice.
Look at my boat, you know, when I shot a boat, you know, water boat, you know.
Yes, in a shot. Wow chef, you know, you can tell say it's early morning, because guys, look, wow chef still have matter in my eye.
Yeah, man, for real, man. You know, I'm more for place, I really still have matter in my eye. Yeah, man, because sleep is on. Yeah, man, come wake up early, you know. Yeah. I told me now the cut them around with a crew, you know.
Yeah. So why don't you buy some?
Early morning, you know.
Yeah.
Go I'm there in the early morning, I go on. So I can do, you know.
Yes, sir.
Get together, me and Richie B, and you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Mother
Teresa so come back.
Yeah.
You see? So I'm not done yet, man. I'm not there for the day and so I go on. So
yes.
There, man.
That is
Richie B there, you see? Yeah, that's it.
That is it.
Yeah, you know the machine sound. Yeah, man.
So it's making up the farm.
Yeah, farm and we put around the building. So we're there, man.
That is it. Yes, guys. The noise. Yes, you know that is it. You know the work is going. Johnny.
I'm here, you know.
See them on the shoe, no, Ital's shoe, the shoe piece.
Shoe piece.
The shoe piece, boss.
No tail foot. You see me?
Yeah.
Neck and foot.
No,
it should be.
It should be a Rasta, Johnny.
So Rasta na eat pig tail and chicken foot.
One to the Rasta was say him not eat pork, but he need the gravy.
Ah, and I best part that him want.
The gravy.
The gravy part I best part.
Man say I don't eat pork, but you just look at the gravy for my food.
Man, I best part that feel the gravy part. Everything boil out tonight, you know. So if him not eat the big part I eat, he might eat the part where mash out.
Mash out. And the gravy have all the substance as well too. Because when it's steamed from the body and drop down in the gravy there, whoa.
Yo, I strongest part the Rasta want, you know.
Yeah.
And that I strongest part, you know. The gum part, you know.
Everything
man.
Right down
I
to
don't know good life, you know, the thing already.
Yes.
Love the good work where I push out, you know.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. You like what I go on, though?
Definitely.
Not the first.
From day one, man, from day one, I know.
Day one,
can't stop, you know. Yeah, man, I like the work where you put in, for real.
Helping out, you know.
Real, you know.
And remember, we need to come lift two
bucket.
bucket.
Don't of them, you know.
Big them up
yeah,
every
you have
time.
to give thanks to don't of them where I do it, you know. Don't make them basket empty.
True.
Always have it going, you know.
Yes.
So them can donate something to don't have it.
Yeah, bala, hold on. Mother Teresa calling, hold on the journey. Liquor. Oh, Richie B, how much inch concrete you want? 2.5 inch.
2 pound, 2
Yeah, 2 pound and 2.5 inch. 2 pound.
2 inch wire nail. 2 pound.
How much wire nail?
2 pound.
How much wire nail one?
2 pound.
2 pound too. 2.5 inch same, right?
2 inch.
2 inch. 2 inch. Yeah, wire nail 2 pound. Now, Indian? Can't deal with the Indian. Tell us we're gonna start dealing with the Chinese. Yeah, and send 5 extra nail too. Bonus. Put it on your bill. Alright. So here we're making up the form, top performer. So it's gonna fall right off, right, Richie?
And the same way like how that the one that come down now.
Different fall? Or the zinc now go underneath it?
It comes straight down so.
Oh.
Look a bit.
Oh.
You understand me? Like God's zone come down so you know. So I broke the one I know I broke come like you get that different so. You understand?
Oh, okay.
It comes straight down like the one there. The little beanie piece of thing we have to put right there so you know, you see me?
Oh.
If you check it out, the all stops still. It's called board come down.
Yeah. So it's like it's gonna be a drop off. Boy, the window look neat. Me I look from out there so the building does look neat.
One of the face board over there so now.
This?
Yeah.
This I gonna move, right?
Yeah, the face board that I move. So the board them will come down. 2 before board there.
This?
Yeah. Make that come down straight down so. God's on the now can't get that.
Oh.
Catch a cut like a different go back up so it could be.
Oh.
And it comes straight down, push back and come on the top of the block.
If it comes straight down so.
On top of the block.
On top of the block.
However, understand guys. So the one on the face board have to come off and then block back there.
No, when the board will come out, I tell them.
Yeah, so them here will come off. And this here, cut off this.
Yeah, cut off piece of that.
There's a little piece.
A little piece.
You can catch the nail back part.
Yeah, and nail it back. Pan here, so. Up look more.
So the roof will come down and then go back.
So it's at the underneath this.
Yeah.
So it's not gonna second, just run off, see me.
No man, now go second. The slope the way it have now so, now go exact so. Can catch a one so.
Okay, like I could run off.
So.
Alright, I got you. Yeah. That'll drop right on the top and shoot off. Whoa, you know? All of this now is gonna leak out.
You put one piece more on this, let me have one piece.
Give me hammer and me.
I want hammer. You know, it makes sense to go those. Look and buy already, man. So what? Just look one and two.
I said hammer, me go for the hammer.
It doesn't make no sense. I just go and find them for Richie, you know, they go to liquor rich. Yeah. So one there, so? Wow. Have another one there as well.
I put one more piece as I say. Oh. Yeah.
No man.
Oh, listen. I'll find more food or something.
Yeah,
That's a shot. No, man. I'm not telling them. I'm telling them big, man.
Yeah, cylinder, yeah. Everything you man now.
And it's a full of farm and top of farm and half a farm and piece of farm, you know.
Mr. Board them there for go for
Yeah, more underneath there.
Piece of one in there, man. I lost it. Next piece we're gonna farm up now. Straighten them up. Piece on me. Want the next hammer which people are going and take out the nail in.
Do you tell me say God? Do what you want to do.
Good man.
You come on and do what you want to do.
If you want to go and feed, you can go and feed them. But it's not going to make sense. Because look so rich.
So I pick one.
So a hot one.
Hold up.
Eh?
Where I come from.
How fast? How on that? Oh,
Yeah, man, phone star, man.
it's a cut.
Want to be a sharp. Good.
Run through bone crusher.
I think gonna put on top of it.
Yeah.
Piece of fillet and that's it. I use up yeah, mash them up to you.
Can't do for.
Man, they can't use.
I let them get down.
All them box, they don't have straight and they sell them and throw them back in.
Yeah, man, I tell you, yeah, man. See you.
So the piece of board on the side of this side, it's not for use and we just
Oh,
Oh, you got this. Oh, okay.
the long piece matter.
Speak, say I'm here now.
Oh, mama, screw.
Oh.
Screw them, screw in.
I just split my feet on one side and the thing the one and move it.
Come on.
You're not joke, you know. Say you have a hammer this here now. This here you're pulling up.
That's all.
No, right on that side. The feet here so I know that
You have to
you
say
have
on the side there you're pulling out to get the board and don't you?
yeah.
You say you have a hammer. You must have a screw from. Go off with Jill. So I tell you, in the list of the talk, you know, them probably have the most side for the board. Me and my work. In the list, you just jump like a yes man to things. Listen.
Yeah.
Before you move, come and tell me, say, see how hammer ya. A screw. Look on this screw.
No,
This screw key, no?
No, I'm a.
Pull your cigar, pull this 9 million, and then pull this.
No.
Pull up. Yeah, man, let's pull off that, man.
Listen, no, pull out this.
Let's pull off.
No, wow.
Hold on.
Him say yes, him flick a while ago.
Hold on.
Yo, boy. I'm a lot move like that.
That good now. Oh, you don't need that.
I tell you, say no one to Jill, no. Run guard. Run guard for Jill.
Jill, aye.
You love Jill.
This will be your one. Start this.
Just want to for him for the ribs apart.
Just ribs some more ribs up there.
The tall part, I
Yeah. Right, out of the house and come back round, man. When you're trying Yeah.
From the exact same village as Jamal, but it'll be close.
Like a wood, but board wheel have no man, you.
It should be like piece alright with it.
More like a dog.
Yeah, I got piece. You want another one?
Yeah, you take away the next piece you can all of it.
Yeah, someone say it.
Got this?
Piece of one, the piece of the one.
So much lots of boss on.
She lot. Yeah.
Some man just on the city and just come pull them out and take out the board in the scene.
And gone.
Down, then that's the store room and stuff.
Yeah. Got them thing there.
Safe.
Yeah. Got them thing is well needed.
No more portion.
Eh?
Most of Toby, the side.
Mostly Toby. You must have mostly Toby.
This one want a short piece of this.
Come on, we have short piece so that's all you can cut. Oh, I'm fine at makeup right there, so?
This, no, short piece.
Short piece.
Yeah. Short piece. Short piece.
Them ain't supposed to go, eh? You go to them, Richie. Anymore. Alright, come on. Come on, no egg no underneath the cellar, you can come out now. No fowl under the cellar for an egg. Hey man, them used to go because when the young used to go out in the cellar look for the fowl, egg them.
I want some fowl and I want to get some country fowl still enough. Yeah man, I need some country fowl. Yeah, we can put on a cellar. Yeah man, and let them out a morning time. Yeah man, I'm going to scratch the look at the earth and find where they can find.
It's a pure egg and rice and scrambled eggs. You want to wake early morning.
Yeah man,
He must scrambled egg we used to eat.
Yeah man.
And egg and rice from underneath the cellar.
Yeah man, need some more, need some fowl on the cellar.
We just want to see a fowl, just fling beer stone for him run off.
Run off, and just go feed egg them.
Hey guys, whatever you go, we just want to see the fowl them.
Buy 2 malt and come back. You walk them, buy 2 malt and come back. Virgin just buy me a malt now. I'm so the pocket still.
I've got point in the finger right now.
Nah, inside what you inside since 12 minutes. Yeah, man. 250 feet I shot this one. You really style. Alright.
Yes guys, you see the farm them is making up. Now talk about it in a football farm.
Yeah.
You know, in a school farm.
Yeah.
It's a construction farm.
Yeah.
You know, for the belting can go on. Johnny will come out with a bag of money. Hold me for money. Well, I bag it in so I bag with money then. So if it's have the money in the bag, it's the bag of money.
All I'm working now. Yeah. All I'm working.
You're working now.
They're on the internet, on the gram and the
okay.
TikTok and them things.
Oh.
Control about me go working.
Yeah?
I thought I'd be a big house maybe.
Never know you're a big house too, man.
I thought about that, but I don't want to live man. See them there? I'm the fair living brother, man. You see me?
So you're Abdul Trade, you're not a labourer, you're a tradesman.
Man.
You never know.
Yeah, man, I'm a contractor, you know. Key, you know. Also on 5th Street over the side.
Oh.
Don't know everything still, you see me? Yeah, man, key, you know. A big house up a jungle, 7 bedroom I build now up there.
Yeah.
Deck it off last week, Thursday.
I never know what's going on.
So I'm a country, I do.
Yeah. Upstairs and downstairs?
Yeah. 8 bedroom. Man, see, you know, mad key.
They say, nah, call you? Man say, nah, call him for giving peace of the upstairs and downstairs. What go on?
I have one at St. Elizabeth right now, you know.
Hold on. Hello? Esther. Yes, we're there up on the building. Oh, yeah, got on. Okay. So we can check sister for me and get some of the strong back. Not the spirulina one, the strong back I used to get. Yeah. No way to take it. Check around. Yeah. Yeah, kite one cut for come out.
Yeah, 2 parts them out or something. Yeah.
Them cut out them part tight, they bring it up to them part the lock.
Yeah, come out because the thing low enough.
Yeah, low lock.
Like iron.
So we have so much tradesman in Trenchtown. I wanna come link up with the dream team and equip the dream work.
No say.
Busy.
Busy party now.
Yeah.
You just come like when I set time for myself, bro.
Yeah.
All over me there. And I want me, you know.
Yeah, only one of you.
All over. People can tell you, can regular gone for the road and country to spend weeks and.
I never know you have them talent and mash up the ghost.
I was from Quincy to do me alone.
Yeah.
I was scared of 3 weeks from Castle.
3 weeks from Castle last week Thursday. 3 weeks from Castle.
Yeah. Yes, I them are the general. Hey. You that wow chef?
Yeah man.
Oh, go on. So Richie be the young generation tradesman, you know.
I'm on the side of my man.
Alright.
Soon or very soon, no?
Yes.
I'm say, as I say, I just got
You know, people like that, they don't show them back and this.
Yeah.
So our friends see the program, like it.
Okay.
So they have
Yeah.
a house on the Westmoreland and deal.
Alright, I know.
So I eat now go in pan and boarding down there.
Yeah,
See?
yeah.
So Richie be up there on the program.
Alright.
See free.
Yeah. So you're gonna tell me say sooner or later I can't get Richie B?
No, you're gonna get him same way. You have to get him same way. And you start off with, so you're gonna get him same way.
So I'm calling me and say, yo, you know, some of them we also.
Yeah.
1 week after the same thing, we also.
No man,
You can't get him same way, man.
Get him same way, man.
Okay.
I'll tell you, say,
Yeah.
Do a little program.
You know,
Yeah.
in a place one house, men them got country, men them alone. On car park. Big from up there, so. But come down here, so, wide. Yo, the man have 24 sheet applying there, and black. We just set up the whole line. Right on it. I mean, about 4 barrels, I stand and choke on that, and it's a flash out.
Yeah.
Flash out.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
You can't 2 days flash out that, man, run that.
Quick and fast.
Yeah, man. Men them alone.
Some also deal over 3 pieces of yellow. If you walk aside,
Yeah.
pieces of yellow and white house. I mean, my alone build it, man. Only thing you just get in one
Man, for the deck.
and just deck it off the day and just speed them off and
Okay.
we pull on the deck in.
And
Just flash out the whole
flash out the
inside.
See me, we take one big badge. We take a side, there. Yeah, man. Same for outside. You know, some road, I say.
So guys.
I'm kind of sit there and send call one evening, or after 2, you know.
Yeah.
And some man that do some work in my kind of yard. And leave it half here. None of the pocket, the black pocket in the cars. So go over there and say, how can I work?
Billing, hello.
Man, this.
Yeah.
You get to do this.
Billing, hello.
The breeze blew down the wall there. See? I said, what? I said, none of the pocket in the car so much, you know. I said, so come, I look at the road and come back. So by the time I come back, then I'm on the car. So
All the
the pocket.
pockets.
I start running up black. Cut out window. When they come back in, so window cut out. Everything. Man said, you can't believe my car did. I said, where you get them money from?
Yeah. Cool, no? Guys, you know we're here, you know. We hear what's going on, you know.
Yeah, man.
So we're gonna start call upon these guys. Say, yo, come on, we need a strength.
Yeah, man.
You know?
I need that.
Of course, he's a war chef brother, you know. You know, he's a war chef brother. So he's like a brother to us, well, to see him to the war chef. So it's all brothers.
Yeah.
Same way. And we have the younger generation over there, the wings of steel.
Yeah.
You know, but like when I work, I'm telling you, the building neat when put up right now, you know. And the man say, must learn it by first building his shop first.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, I was probably at work at the time. Mad with that work at the time. I see my doing things by myself.
Yeah.
Call me and say, I come look on this thing.
Yeah, man.
I'm go on.
Yeah.
I'm look on it and say, Bigo. You're going good, man.
Yeah.
Continue to take it up in the hand of Bigo. And motivate him, you know.
Yeah, yes.
So him just take it up and think. You see it?
And look now.
As from that, I see him a federal again. Do me sponsor them place. And I say, John, no. Bigo, yeah, man.
You have
love
it.
the settings, man.
Yeah, man. Have
You
it,
know?
man.
Yeah.
Yeah, them have it, man.
Yeah, man, really old, man. And them just humble and thing, you know. You understand? That rate with him from years over the years.
Yeah, man, them always humble.
Yeah.
Them always quiet.
The man and brother, them.
Yeah.
Always humble.
And grabbers, always quiet.
What a ball we play
Yeah.
together and all these things.
Yeah.
When the man and never meet yet.
One time we used to wonder if Richie B talk.
Talk, yeah, exactly.
And when him see him say, Kido!
Yeah. Real man. I'll check out the man come like him at the wall.
Talk. Talk.
Yeah. Now,
Yeah.
that man love listen and observe, man.
Yes,
From over
yeah.
the years, Bigo.
From day one.
Yeah, man.
Good for city generation, you know. I have to represent good for the community, you know. We can't only hear about the negative. We have to always show them the good work and a talented youth them in here same way, you know. Okay.
I want to keep it up.
Alright. So yes guys, so the farm them finish makeup now. So you know they're gonna nail up the farms them, you know, we can do the belting. Belting is the thing we're gonna put around like to seal it off. We can put the roofing down on top of it with the zincs and everything is gonna have a fall, you know, like a straight right underneath like that. Run right off. You know. We're good to go. Are we gonna be good to go, good to go, good to go? That is it. And we have Mighty Joe just rolling, you know. as in an important phone call.
Right at the end of the road.
I mean, Rosa, walk. Where you walking to, Rosa?
I'm looking forward, man. I'm going to pick for pudding now.
Pudding? Alright, we shall be rolling for pudding. Hey, you want pudding?
No,
pudding?
one slice.
No, Rosa, you cannot go for one. Rosa, you cannot go for one slice of pudding. Eh? You cannot live like that, Rosa. One slice of pudding? No, Rosa. You have to make it stay. Don't bring it come. Yes, don't bring it all. Let it stay. You have to go lock it back. We had to walk a small man, Rose.
England fence is falling down. England fence is falling down.
Falling down. England fence. What? No, guys, this is England fence is falling down. Rosa, I cannot come out with one slice of pudding, okay?
One slice of pudding, me tell you something.
So you cannot come out with one slice.
Let me just see if you tell you.
See, alright, you see for one slice, you slice it up in a lot of slices. So it have many slices, right?
And that you say?
Yes. If for one slice, you slice it up in many. So you have a lot of slices. Slice 1, slice 2, and slice 3. Lot of slices. So England fence is for Rosa at the pudding one on the corner. Big older pudding and say it's one pudding. Oh, you never one slice of pudding, it's one pudding, Rosa. Rosa, you're using the fire. I can hear the fire around there, Rosa. Guys, look, you have the knife. look, guys. So you have the fire. You have one pudding with a lot of slices, Rosa. Right? Rosa. Is the pudding short? No. So if it's short, you put on a pants, make it tall. Rosa full up of the pudding and go and put it, guys. You see, Rosa is something else. You know? Rosa one pudding. But I just understand what I mean by one pudding. One pudding, but I'm going to slice it up. Right? The one that look bigger, Rosa.
You want just eat and that me you slice gateway.
Rosa, that one that look bigger, man. Come on, man, Rose. The London fence is falling down. It's falling down. The London fence is falling down. All the way down. So you have to walk sideways when you're coming out. You have to walk sideways when you're coming out. Walk sideways. If you don't, foreign fence is falling down. Foreign fence is falling down. All the way down. Oh God. Pudding? Rose make pudding. You want pudding?
Rose make pudding, don't give me no pudding.
Run on me yard. Later.
Say I bring pudding, come get
No, you
tired.
can't come for a fee.
People come for my own, so you can't bring my own, come get me.
Rose have one pudding, but you have to make a couple slices.
What is that my thing?
No, London fence. The fence is falling down. We get pudding. You see? See, we have to walk down Rose to get the pudding.
Yeah.
Pudding, yes. Exactly.
Stretch the pudding enough. Stretch enough. Pudding short enough.
Elastic. This pudding made of elastic. Johnny, pudding. Rose.
Stretch me up and stretch the pudding.
Elastic.
What kind of pudding that? What kind of pudding that? Potato. What? Potato. I don't understand what they say. You don't know potato. Who?
Potato.
I want a potato. No man, you know the list of man. You have to talk like you have list of them.
Where you say?
Where you say pudding here? Potato.
A potato.
Okay.
A put? Eh?
Okay. You can't buy no bread with your pudding.
Sorry, yeah, bread.
Inside the pudding.
Sorry.
Put your eat alone. Bread. And you sell pudding now? Bread.
Yeah.
So, oh yeah, pudding. I watch out.
Yeah.
Sure, over there saying I give it no pudding.
Alright, no.
Really give man pudding. Oh, you get a man the food. Him come from. If you come to put me, you get put. No, sir.
Yeah, no man, everything is live and direct. Yeah. Buy the bread for him, yeah?
No, sir, no bread and pudding.
Bread and pudding.
Something drink. Bread.
He come for pudding. Yeah. Yeah. So you have to go around for your pudding. Yeah. Rose have one pudding. One piece of pudding. And the one piece come in so many slices. But one piece. Him slice it so thin. I think the knife could go through it. The way thin. Rose. No, stand. There is something else. Rose, are you make this pudding?
I'm not used to know man.
Oh.
You drive one. And then throw back.
Oh.
I told you, man.
Haha. I rose, man, with the pudding. I'm going to buy it. Because the pudding look like it's going to choke you. Pudding look like it's going to choke you. Rose say, oh, I'm going to give man pudding, you have to comfy. Yeah, man, a proper comedian. Rose, but I can't laugh no more. Rose said, I'm give man pudding, you have to come for it.
I grill up some.
Rose. You have to go. Rose, you have to go buy it back. Because I may have buy juice for yourself. You have to go sell meat and buy it back. Buy it back. Because I may have buy, see? You follow you go for the pudding. And then go buy one juice for yourself. What I mean?
Oh, you get pudding. I don't know how you get pudding from. You don't give man pudding.
So how me get the pudding? You know, actually the fence was falling down. The London fence was falling down. All the way down. So you know, so I could walk so far and I get a piece of the pudding. And may you buy one juice for yourself. You have to go buy it back. Andrea? Serve! She open the window and she lock it back. Why she lock it back? Serve! Open! Save! Oh, she go like she don't know sir. Rose out there.
Yeah, me man.
She not, you never get a pudding? Cook stew peas.
Sir, and just let me have a bottle drink.
Oh, it's Andrea.
Andrea, let me have another bottle drink.
Andrea?
Another bottle beverage.
Hello.
Me no rush here, me no rush.
How are these?
Me no rush.
Hello.
One more of them drink there.
I remember that face, yeah. What you know? That face look familiar, Rose.
Andrea, you don't know her?
Of course. Andrea, I know you, right? Rose, I know her face.
I me grow her, you know.
You grow her. Andrea, what go on?
I'm here.
All is well?
Yes.
I grow a big passer, right? Alright. Hey. Rose, I don't like your style. Don't like your style. So why you buy Cal's?
And then the thing she sell me.
And then now you change.
She just sell me a juice. You know special like. I see him thing, you know.
Rose.
Remember the pudding when you say and I give me.
So you have to come feed. She ready now, Rosa. Yeah, see that come feed.
later.
No man, come feed.
No. You introduce the pudding around here and you tell me say no more pudding.
I really you forget the pudding now.
I talk, I'm tell you I talk.
Really and truly,
You get the pudding. So
don't swear there for
yeah.
don't come back to me.
Hey, no, I never get any pudding.
And I'm gonna get pudding.
No, he never give me no pudding.
really and truly, you forget the pudding.
No man, I'm gonna get pudding man.
No, he never give me no pudding. I take the pudding. He give me for keep it and me take it. You know, and then where Rose, they buy grape first and no, I don't understand.
So which one of them you like?
We should have make you take it back.
Any one of them I see him drinking them.
But you pull it so you lose discount. The percentage come off it already. Sheila. Guys, this Rose buy this before and then after I'm go and buy a different one.
And she said anyone she said you buy you know. And she still me something just buy.
He just buy. He just buy. Alright then. So we're drinking Cals. You're drinking Buster, I'm drinking Cals. Buster who? Buster Rhyme?
Buster Rhyme this?
Yeah, Buster Rhyme, you're drinking.
Commercial.
Yeah. Yeah, my commercial break a while ago, right? So he's drinking Buster. Are you drinking Buster? He's drinking Buster. Buster who that? Whoa, you know? I said don't give man pudding, so you have to give woman. Ain't pudding.
No, I can't be like potato. Potato, I need potato.
So we are natural at gas station and said we had a 2,000 towards
Someone, what? Just like that? You must give our chef $2,000?
Yeah.
Wow. You give it to him then and I'm going to tell her.
So we give the key now.
Alright then. Pro chef, here's $2,000 for you. From someone from the gas station?
Gas station, eh?
Gas station right there, so. A beach there, so?
Gas station right there, so.
Yeah, you want to hear about beach road.
Oh, the gas station right there, so, you know?
Yeah, she said towards him.
In project?
Yeah, man, you see.
Tell her
Where the
time.
gas station here?
I Texaco, a Texaco gas
I
station.
think the others, alright?
Oh, I know which gas station talk, man. Mexico, man, you see?
Mexico?
Mexico, yeah.
A Texaco, I think
Texaco. Yeah, man, genius. Thank you very much, man, you see?
Yeah.
Blessed, man, you see?
Yeah, it's a beach road.
Thank you very much, man, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you right, so not the one up at RJ this, so.
So, yeah, fine, so like, oh,
This so, oh, so.
No, up so. I say up.
Beach road, Mr. Never.
A Texaco, right?
Yeah, Texaco.
A Texaco.
That one day, yeah.
Alright.
man, genius. And now we get the healthy now and come speak out the wall, you see?
Yeah.
Well, you see me?
That is it. Yes guys, so the whole area is gonna concrete as well too. Yeah, so this is gonna get concrete. We're gonna really have some block as well to the front here, so you can have him kitchen in here. So in here you have him kitchen, but we're gonna remove these boards. You know, they're gonna concrete off here, as you can see from there to there. They're gonna concrete off it. You know, so in here we have the kitchen right here. They're gonna block out this and everything. Whoa. Oh, so we have 4 more bags of cement. So this now, so this is gonna let down as well, so you can walk right through.
Why not tell you? We live with all the shower sound, but want to make a sound, you know?
There you go.
Yeah, man. Make a bike sound like you turn on the bike and you want to spray, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Is it? Yeah,
So
man.
it's a retrieve. So you must say as a bike sound when that turn on.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, because you know the ear, them touch something on the bike, you eat a little of the ear.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, some want it sound, it should be, man.
It's a pour, you know, when you
Yeah, man, come look. The space and no time of soap, wash off. you
wash
know?
off.
Yeah, man, you see?
Something
Something I do it, man. Yeah, man, something I get the line across, you know? You see? Yeah, man,
So
there you go.
So you can
Yeah, man.
level. Oh, shit, so they go.
I'm winning and stand up and look out, so you know, the toothbrush.
Yeah. Oh, you got brush your teeth.
I go to the toothbrush and I say, hey, John, the girl, that's nice brown girl.
Yeah, and I brush your teeth same time.
Yeah, and I call her through my window. Come right and she say, hello baby.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, she just look at me and say, oh, you man, too nice.
Yeah.
I said, everything good, man. I want to say inside.
Yeah.
And then I want you to come inside and don't know.
Yeah.
I want to say party. Yeah.
Ask her she want to use the toilet.
Yeah, she not going to use the toilet. She go, boy, I can't be in there but in the shower.
Yeah.
I say, welcome, man, you know? Just line it up here. I have hot water.
Yeah.
I have warm water.
Yeah.
I have hot water. I have warm water. I have cold water. I have temperature water.
Yeah.
So 4 different water to run.
Four different water. Richie B, you have 4 different water.
Use the hot water. Yeah, I just soak up first and then I just start turn on the hot water. I now make it very hot, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's temperature water now. Yeah, and then I just.
So the temperature water now.
Cool down. Last half of the school down. Eh?
What was I say? So when I use the temperature water now, what time are you gonna use that? When the time was? When time rainy?
Half an hour I come out of my bathroom, so I'm gonna use every water.
So when the time rainy?
Rainy.
Which temperature you use them time?
Every time rainy, I'm gonna use the warm water.
Yeah.
Time cold, we use hot water.
Yeah.
Eh? Yeah, man.
And when it plays overcast?
Yeah, man. And the cold water I use now. The cold one. Yeah, man. Keep cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. There you go. 4 different fight. Yeah, that. One pipe I can run with a week and 4 weeks. Have hot water, cold water, temperature water, you know.
And warm water.
Warm water, you know.
Yeah,
warm water to wash my face and my head. Level.
That's a line up the farm, top performer.
Come on, so you can top farm, you know.
Top farm. Watch your package.
Yeah.
So Natural said he's gonna mesh the floor also and tile it. You know? So he's gonna mesh the floor and tile it as well too. You know, he's gonna close up that section as well for the kitchen. So this will be a Row Chef project. No, in the ear,
Johnny, put in everything and wind it up. Come in on me now.
Yeah.
Johnny, come in on me now. Wind up everything and put it in.
Johnny.
Wind up everything and put it in, Johnny.
Johnny. Traffic. Any direction?
Johnny, wind up everything, wind up. And put it in, wind and put it in.
First policeman. Police officer. Rosa was going too straight. Hey Johnny, you make Johnny car reverse anymore. What go? Johnny, what go your car reverse? Yeah.
Come in on me now, come in on me. Come in on me now, Johnny. Rasta man, that man tell you the same.
Where the man I say? Where am I say?
I don't know. You might ask again where you say. Traffic.
Yeah, traffic police. No, man. Never hear police. Police say that. One of them just stopping up on the seatbelt.
Yeah.
You never hear none of them coming at me.
You never hear that though.
You never hear that.
Oh, go on.
Oh, you want? You know, so I go on a while ago.
Eh. Going too much.
Take it out and put it in back.
Those are whoa, you know? Come through, whoa. Yeah, I have a donation here for you. Towards your project from Miss P from Maryland.
Miss P from Maryland.
Yeah, so you have 14,000 here for you from Miss P from Maryland.
Miss P from Maryland.
USA.
USA. Miss P from Maryland, from USA. Only for blessing, only for love, you know. That's the project, man, you know. So we get a good look, man, pan it, man, a better view, you know.
Yeah. And a better show, the maga.
Yeah, man, call it. 4 different pipes we are putting in the bathroom.
Yeah.
For man, I keep on telling you 4 different pipes, you know.
Yeah, tell them how
hot water, warm water, I have cold water, I have temperature water. Yeah, man, sir. Yeah, man. Anytime time cold, use the hot water. Anytime time cold, I use the hot water.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Time hot and the cold water I use.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, time breeze blow nice and cool, we use the temperature water.
Yeah, and the overcast.
And yeah, my water for everything, I the rain fall.
Yeah.
Use a one day, you know.
Yeah.
Holy for water, man, you know. Thank you very much, you know. Yeah, blessed, man, you know. Yeah, man. The pipe, shower pipe, I got come like a bike and you turn on it. So, yo, only for thing, man, I hear it, man. I go there out and hear it. Wow, your shower kicks up. Water spray.
A different sound that.
Yeah, man.
So turn it and go bing.
Yeah, man.
And a bike that over that.
Man, the bike is motor here come to boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's here, man. That's a year to show turn on, man.
Yeah.
No, pipe of a turn on first.
Yeah, and then I'm saying, what bike there?
Bike there. Yeah, man, and then the show a kick. Twice, you know.
Not once, but twice. So when them a beard, them not beard once.
Yeah,
beard twice.
I'm telling you, 4 different soap up me I do. 4 different water, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Blessed, you know.
Alright. Well, Teresa, we have a donation as well for you towards your project from Miss P, same here from Maryland, 14,000.
Thank you, Miss D from Maryland. Miss P, thank you very much. I hope your basket never empty. It just take a little time, so I soon see my own too. Okay, God bless you.
How much shower gonna your own?
I know some go 2 shower go in the cold or hot, but now you have whole heat, so you go have 2. Thank you very much. Everybody will start me and they do with me same way. Thank you very much. I'm glad for worship and glad for everybody. We're not thinking for yourself alone, other people also. Thank you very much.
Alright, that is it. Richie B, so you start to line up the 4 pipe, them are ready for the 4.
Yeah, man.
4 temperature.
Oh, yeah. Just hear about them 4 pipes. Yeah, man, them 4 pipes that they done. Yeah, man.
Sean.
This. Yeah. Still have a good piece, that man.
Oh, a taller piece. Taller piece, wow.
Taller piece on it. Two of them, brother. Two of them.
Yeah, yeah.
About 14. You are going, brother.
Yeah. And that is it.
And this one now, just load them from inside of the stone.
Yeah. And start cast it up. Belt her up.
tomorrow we can pull off, but we can do 2 days.
2 days. So I give 2 days for dry. So it's properly dry. So we're gonna give it 2 days. So after we cast it up now, we're gonna give it 2 days to dry. So you see the veranda as well too when you come in. Yeah, we're gonna black up. That is it. Alright guys, so as you can see, so it's gonna but sit here. You need any more? No more. So you put up the next board first. Huh?
You can line up with them, line up, man.
Okay. Oh, I'm saying you can line it up then. Can I finish?
Mama, I told you I mix up, man.
Oh, yeah, mix up, man.
Yeah, I mix up and go around.
Put concrete. Put concrete.
I know say I never in my own my building can't manage all it. More than one.
Can manage Jenny's?
Yeah.
Yes, that is it. Yeah. Chuck say you can go head. Can go up one more step?
Oh man.
No.
But you can see what they
Go up the next step and put one.
yeah. You need to cut the box and the side of the box. So Adam,
yeah, something inside of the can stand up and
Eh?
something in our room.
Yeah man, go on inside Joe.
Black them in the can stand. Pull up your top brother. Everyone them targeting. Make sure I know you tonight. It's all fixed up.
Yeah. Them say it not done. Yeah. Them call her whenever
drive by.
I. Hey, that is it. Yes guys, so we're gonna meet one of our family, you know, one of Ellis them, Georgia Ellis. Georgia Ellis, we're gonna meet the great Ellis himself. Another Ellis just gonna touch down.
When I come back more, I should live one of the foreign bottled water for me, yeah?
Foreign bottled water. Yes guys, so we have a friend of mine as well who's also Georgia Ellis' son, you know, who's Rosa Rose's nephew, you know. Yankee himself from Great Britain, you know, another family, another Ellis is there on the building. Georgia, I know you're in the live stream right now watching. I got to see your son Ellis touching down. Another Ellis. See it there, you must see it there. One Ellis. One Ellis. That is it. Georgia Ellis. See me, you know the thing go. Finally,
I'm here, Mom.
Yes, he's here.
Road,
Yes, Rosa has been waiting.
The bag are ready, man.
Ready.
One rose. What's going on? All of England, you know, every day we're watching, you know.
Yes.
Pampy and Federal and the Ross, you know. Iceman and the whole team.
Yeah.
All of Bristol.
You can see, you see the family resemblance straight away, you know. Right. Uncle and
never take a taxi,
you know, we take taxi, but I know I want to make it one.
Yeah. Of course. The roots. Can't lose the roots. Store boy. I see him your story, that's a call this place, you know. See him here. You know, don't you some man see him earlier? Come you know. See him earlier a while ago. Global. You go up on the still. Bristol in the building. All the way. Pedal and Duval are watching and I said Jano Star.
Every day we tune in and watching it live.
Yeah. And Strike and everybody I watch right now and the fire. Iceman.
Ready, man.
Diesel.
Petrol, you know?
Red. Wait, so what's inside to make it red? So gasoline.
Look so far. No, she's not there. She gone on the road. She gone on the road.
Come in now. Yeah, can go over Papi.
We can't do this in England, we can do it back home.
Of course.
We can do it, but
Legal now, you know.
Jamaica, you do it at the life, you know?
Legal here in Jamaica.
Legal, you know.
Pay drama Younger generation relaxing. Oh. Alright, look up there, one more.
Yeah, the last one this.
One more.
One alone.
Oh, one alone.
Yeah.
Full up. Belt in, belt up.
God, the right mixing of God. Yeah, man, that's a fight everyone. You tell somebody to go down off the box, I can't do what you style doing, man. You know what you're doing, man. I tell somebody to go down and do the thing, I come like, what's the man on? Like a machine. Like a machine, eh? You like reading the God, okay, my teacher you like a machine. Yeah. Like I said, can't even knock it. Can't even knock it, really. Eh?
Puff, puff.
No, good. Yes,
so up there is loaded, so that conclude the belting. Look at this.
If that child is at home.
Firm. Mr. Wagwan at the Jackson.
Yeah, man, it's tricky.
Oh. This is the belting of completed guys, as I can see it's completed now. You know, so you know this will dry 2 or 3 days. Give it 2 or 3 days. You can pull down this. When you pull this off now, you know it's a roofing going on. Is it? Yes, I hate that mighty Joe. It's like a great look.
Both them team from the warrior. Extension Nico.
It's a great look, guys. So we'll give thanks. I will thank you so much, as I can see. Oh, I will cut it. You nail on the board for your card line, Richie. Let's bust off the part. Yeah? Okay. Yankee out there now.
You choke me while I come on fire.
Belt it up and thing, you know?
What do you mean? Belt up and put the loop and everything. You can't have a belt and have a loop, you know?
No.
Loop of it.
See there?
That is it.
That is it.
One Yankee. Yeah. Ground them. One Yankee, ground them. That is it.
No other.
No other. One Yankee.
No other.
Embarrass me now. I take it now. That man, see that?
Yes. Rasta Jackson, that is it.
Yeah.
It's a good look.
Yeah, look. No, looking out.
Looking even.
Better. Yeah.
I'm on a level.
No.
Half a glass.
Yeah, bathroom.
Yes, guys, so I want to thank you so much. You know, thank you so much for today. Thank you so much for watching Keen Life in Jamaica. Blessed love to all, as you can see. You know, as you can see. Esther here, secretary. You've been writing notes or taking notes?
Both of them.
Both of them.
I have to take the ride. 1 hour gone now.
Yeah. I like the look. Yes, I love the look. Our dream team is moving. You know, the building has gone up. The belting has completed. So you know, when this dry is the roofing we're gonna put on. You know, put on the roofing, and then we're gonna head inside, do the splashing, and then get the windows as well too. And then we're gonna concrete off run by the front. You know, so this is it here. Whoa, you know, looking good. Looking good. Yes, guys. So thank you so much for watching Keen Life in Jamaica. We thank you so much. You know, remember to put the thumbs up when you're watching. If you're watching and you haven't put the thumbs up and you reach this far, why not put the thumbs up? Go ahead and put the thumbs up while you're watching. Put the thumbs up, put the thumbs up. Stay tuned.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.